Learning how to manage your money is one of the most important life lessons. Building and maintaining a solid financial future might seem like a daunting task, but with the right help in the initial stages, you can have success. Here are 7 money moves you need to make right now. 1. Create that budget. Managing your budget is like maintaining your social life. You wouldn't make plans if you weren't sure if you were free, right? The same rules apply when it comes to your money, and that's why creating a budget is so important. A budget will help you keep track of how much money you have, how many expenses you have, and what money you have left over after you've paid those expenses. Or maybe you've even overspent. Creating a budget allows you to take control of your finances, encourages you to live within your means, and helps you move towards your financial goals. 2. Open a checking account. A checking account can be used for everyday expenses like making purchases, taking money out, or paying bills. You can also deposit your paycheck directly into your checking account. It's an easy way to access your money at any time. Requirements and fees for opening a checking account will vary based on the bank that you choose. 3. Build a savings account. Savings accounts are great because they're not meant for everyday use like checking accounts. Many savings accounts earn interest, which means that the bank is going to pay you for keeping your money there. They're also the best place to store your money for short and medium-term goals, like planning for a vacation or starting an emergency fund. So you might be thinking that you don't need a savings or a checking account because you have a Venmo, a Cash App, or a PayPal. These apps are great for quickly sending money or receiving money, but do not leave your money in there. Checking accounts and savings accounts are FDIC insured, which means if that bank goes out of business, you're insured up to $250,000 of your money. So once you receive those Venmos and Cash Apps, make sure you directly deposit those in your new checking account. 4. Your credit score. A credit score is a 3-digit number that shows how likely you are to repay money that you've borrowed. This could include credit cards, department store cards, home loans, car payments, etc. This number is so important because it determines how much credit you can borrow and how much it will cost for you to pay that money back. People with high credit scores, 720 or higher, have great repayment options, including low interest rates and better financial services and opportunities. People with low credit scores are often given horrible credit options. They get high monthly payments and high interest rates. That makes it incredibly difficult for them to pay back the money that they've borrowed. Low credit scores can also keep you from being approved for a credit card, renting an apartment, home loan, car payment, or even getting a job. 5. Credit cards. They can be a powerful tool to build your credit when used wisely. Using a credit card should not be taken lightly. There are several fees associated with them, and if not used wisely, they could ruin your credit score and your financial future. Your credit score largely determines what credit card you're eligible for and the interest rate applied to pay back that money. This is why you want to keep your credit score high. 6. Managing debt. At some point in your life, you're gonna want or need to make a purchase for something and you're not gonna have the money in full, such as an emergency expense, down payment for a car, or to fund your education. To make that purchase, you'll need to borrow money from a bank, a credit card provider, or any other lender. This means you're going into debt because you need to purchase something with money that's not actually yours and that you'll need to pay back. You'll also need to pay back the balance plus the interest that accrues on the loan. This means you're gonna pay back more money than you spent to make the purchase. Remember, the amount of interest will be determined by your credit score. Before reaching for your credit card, applying for a store card, or even applying for student loans, make sure you fully understand the purchase that you're making. 7. Invest in your future. Making smart decisions now can help you build wealth and get you towards those long-term financial goals faster. There are a number of ways to start investing in your future now, like custodial accounts or college savings accounts when you have kids. And of course, a retirement account. You don't need lots of money to get started, thank God. Being young is a huge advantage when beginning to invest. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, making small investments now can lead to huge savings for the future. Ready to learn more? Be sure to check out the article in the description below. Here you're gonna find more tips to help you save that cheddar like a pro. For more money moves, text HELLO to 335577, and you can check out more of our financial literacy resources at getschool.com. I know finances can be so confusing, but if you learn what to do now, you'll definitely reap the benefits in the future. Good luck.